Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video I wanted to show you a stitch, a very easy stitch, a thick one row repeat the stitch has. You can make scarves, you can make hats, vests, sweaters. Just keep in mind this is thick. This is very thick. Yeah. So if you like to make a scarf, I used 5.0 millimeter crochet hook for this scarf. If you want, you can choose a thinner yarn and will be maybe not so thick. Yeah, you can make a rug with a chunky yarn. I will expect to be really cushy. Yeah, but if you want to make a scarf with this, for this one I chained 29 chains. This one it's a little bit elastic, so you're gonna have to put more. This scarf has 11 centimeters, it's wide, so if you want wider, maybe you will put, I don't know, 31, 33, depends on your yarn size. Yeah? But this is really nice for a blanket. All I have to say, this is gonna eat a lot of yarn, a lot. And for a scarf I will suggest to have at least 300 grams, at least. Yeah, depends how wide you want the scarf or how long you want the scarf. Yeah, so the stitch is reversible, it's the same front and back, and the sides are really nice, you can see. Yeah. It's really easy, this stitch. Like I said, it's a little bit elastic, so you're gonna have to chain more for a scarf. It's thick, you know, for a blizzard, very cold winter, this will be just perfect. Yeah. This tutorial is gonna be on my other YouTube channel that I have with crochet, Scorpio Rising. So if you want, you can subscribe, or you just click underneath this video. Is gonna be a link, so you can click on that and just, you know, see the stitch tutorial. You know, it's a very thick, and well, for a scarf I will suggest do with this stitch. If you choose to do with this stitch, use a thinner yarn, because if you use chunky, it's gonna be heavy on you, the scarf. Yeah, with this stitch. For a blanket also, well, if you want thicker blankets, I think this one it's a good stitch to work with, but it's gonna eat a lot of yarn. You're gonna need a lot of yarn to do this, working with this stitch for a blanket, a lot. Yeah, well, just click on the link below and you will see the stitch tutorial. Yeah, okay, thank you for watching.